SQL is the foundational language behind almost every relational database system used by full-stack developers today. Whether you're working with MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, or SQL Server, SQL empowers your application to interact with the data layer effectively. It's not just about fetching rows from a table. It's about managing the structure, inserting and manipulating data, enforcing access, handling transactions, and retrieving insights. In this video, we will explore every major category of SQL commands, including DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. You'll understand what each category does, when to use it, and how it fits into your full-stack application development workflow. All SQL commands are organized into 5 primary categories. These categories are based on the purpose each command serves. DDL stands for Data Definition Language and is used for defining the structure of the database. DML is Data Manipulation Language, which handles actual data operations like inserting or updating records. DCL stands for Data Control Language, which manages user permissions and access control. TCL is Transaction Control Language and ensures consistency and reliability across multiple operations. And DQL, or Data Query Language, focuses on retrieving data through powerful select statements. Let's begin with DDL, or Data Definition Language. These commands define the schema or structure of your database. When you create a new table using the create command or modify a table using alter, you're using DDL. The drop command permanently deletes tables or databases, while truncate quickly deletes all records from a table without logging individual row deletions. Rename is used to change the name of a table or column. Comment allows developers to add descriptions to tables, making the schema more understandable. All DDL commands are auto-committed, meaning their changes are permanent and cannot be rolled back. Next is DML, or Data Manipulation Language. These commands deal with the actual data inside the tables. Insert is used to add new rows. Update modifies existing data based on a condition. Delete removes specific records from the table. Merge, also known as UPSERT, inserts a new row or updates it if it already exists. Call executes stored procedures for reusable operations. Lock table prevents other users from modifying a table while a transaction is in progress. DML operations can be rolled back if not committed, which makes them safe for transactional use. DCL stands for Data Control Language. It's essential for managing database security and user access. The grant command gives specific privileges to a user, such as the ability to select or insert data. Revoke removes those privileges. Some systems like SQL Server also include deny to explicitly prevent actions. DCL helps ensure that users only have access to the data and operations they need. In large systems with multiple roles, DCL is critical for compliance and security. TCL, or Transaction Control Language, ensures the integrity of a group of operations. Begin transaction starts a new transaction block. Commit saves all the changes made during the transaction. Rollback undoes changes in case of an error or failure. SAVPOINT creates a temporary marker that lets you roll back to a specific point within a transaction. Set transaction allows developers to configure properties like isolation level. TCL is vital in systems like banking, inventory, or payment gateways, where operations must either complete fully or not at all. DQL focuses on querying data. The most common and powerful DQL command is select. With select, you can retrieve specific columns, apply filters using where, sort data using order by, group data using group by, and even join data from multiple tables. Whether you're building a user dashboard, generating analytics, or loading data into a front end, Select is used in almost every application. It turns raw tables into meaningful information. Beyond these categories, there are advanced SQL concepts every full-stack developer should know. Join operations allow combining data from multiple tables. Views act as virtual tables that simplify complex queries. Indexes speed up search and retrieval. Stored procedures help organize complex logic into reusable code blocks. Triggers automatically run actions when certain conditions are met. Sequences help auto-generate values, often for primary keys, constraints like primary key, foreign key not nulls unique, and check maintain data integrity. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you're building an online bookstore. You'd use DDL to create tables like books, customers, and orders. You'd use DML to insert new orders, update stock levels, or delete old customer records. DCL comes into play when restricting admin access to pricing or inventory. TCL ensures that if payment fails, the order isn't saved and stock isn't reduced. DQL powers customer dashboards, sales reports, and admin analytics. All SQL command types work together to deliver a reliable, secure, and scalable app. SQL is more than just a querying language. It is the foundation of your application's data layer. When you understand how each command type fits into a full-stack environment, you write better backend logic, avoid data errors, and build features faster. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Full Stack Dev, and share it with your team. Comment below with your most used SQL command, and tell us what topic you want us to cover next. Until next time, build smart, query smarter.